Ninth problem. Ramu, Somu, Gobu are the partners. That is old profit ratio. Ramu, Gobu, Somu. Ramu, Gobu, Somu. The old profit ratio is 3:5:7. 3:5:7. Therefore, old profit share three plus five, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. 3 by 15, 5 by 15, 7 by 15. Then the new profit share is share. Gobu retires and the share is purchased by Ramu and Somu in the ratio 3:1. That is the gaining ratio. 3:1. Somu retires. Somu retires. And in that case, gaining ratio gaining ratio of Ramu and Somu is 3:1. 3:1. In this ratio only, share purchased by Ramu and Somu 3:1. Somu retires. Purchased by Ramu and Gobu. Somu retires and Gobu retires. This is not Somu, Gobu. Gobu retires, purchased by Ramu and Somu. In the ratio 3:1. In the ratio 3:1. This is the question given. Gobu retires and his share is taken by Ramu and Somu. In what ratio? 3:1. That means Ramu will take 3/4 and Somu will take 1/4. That is ratio this one, share this one. And what does it mean? Once again I repeat, this Gobu's share 5/15. Gobu only is retiring. Gobu retires. And this Gobu's retired persons or partners' share is divided by Ramu and Somu in the ratio 3:1. That is, this Gobu's 5/15, from this 5/15, 3/4 will be taken up by Ramu and 1/4 will be taken up by Somu. So, what is the gaining share? Now we should write gaining share. In this gaining share, Gobu is retiring and therefore for Gobu nothing. What is the gaining share from this 7 by Gobu 5 by 15? 5 by 15 he takes 3 by 4. And from this 5 by 15 Somu takes 1 by 4. And this is equal to 15 by 16 and 5 by 16. 15 by 16 and 5 by 16. This is not minus, there is no ratio, nil, because Gobu retires. Now we have found out the gaining share. So what about gaining ratio? Gaining ratio is equal to 15 by 60 is to 5 by 16. Same denominator, therefore we can leave the denominator and simplify these two. 3 5s are 15 and 1 5 is 5. This is the gaining ratio, 3:1. And what about the new profit ratio? New profit share is equal to old share plus gaining share. What is the old share? 3 by 15. What is the gaining share? 15 by 60. Right now for me. Here old share 7 by 15. The gaining share is 5 by 60. Now if we want to add these two, we need the same denominator. So you just change it into or convert it into 60. 4 15s are 60. 4 15s are 60. 4 3s are 12. 15 by 60, right as it is. For Gobu nil. And here 4 15s are 60. 4 7s are 28. Plus 5 by 60. Now if you add these two, 27 by 60, new profit ratio, is equal to 27 by 60 is to 33 by 60. This is 960, we can leave it. 27, 9 3s are 27, 11 3s are 33. Therefore, 9:11. 9:11 is the new profit ratio. In the book it is given 11:9. The ratios are changed. And we shall check now once again what is given. Ramu, Somu and Gobu are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:5:7. Very good. Old profit share, therefore 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 3 by 15, 5 by 15, 7 by 15. Out of these three partners, Gobu retires. Ramu, Somu and Gobu. the name has been changed. Ramu, Somu and Gobu. This is the problem. And Gobu retires. This man 7/15 ratio is retiring. So in that case, what we should write? That 7/15 into 3/4 and 7/15 into 1/4. We can write now 3 into 7, 21/60, and 1 into 7, 7/60. So it is 21/60 and 7/60 in the form of ratio. So then what next? 3 7s are 21, 1 7 is 7. This is okay. Now finding the new profit ratio. 3/15 and old profit plus gain. Old profit plus gain will give the new ratio. Therefore, 3/15 plus 21/60. Here, 7 by, that is the next, Gobu only retires. 5/15. 5/15 plus 7/60. So, 4 15s are 60, 4 5s are 20. This is the correction I should make. This is 7. So it is 27/60. And here 4 15s are 60, 4 3s are 12. Here I should write 21/60. So it is 33/60. 33/60. And finally, we should make the last line correction also. Denominators are equal, and therefore, numerator we can write 33:11. 11 3s are 33 and 9 3s are 27. Once again I repeat the same. I just changed the name, the side changed. Therefore this is a little bit confusion here. See, Ramu, Somu. Somu name should have been mentioned second. I changed these two names. Ramu, Somu, Gobu. 3:5:7. Here this is 3/15, 8, 7, 15. 3/15, 5/15, 7/15. Gobu retires. Purchased by Ramu and Somu. These two persons will share it. Gobu should share. Gobu should share is what? 7/15. This is the share. How it is shared among these two in the ratio 3:1. That is 3/4, 3 plus 1, 4, 3/4, 1/4. So, from this 7/15, 3/4 is taken by Ramu. From this 7/15, 1/4 is taken by Somu. So, what is 3/4 of 7/15? What is 3/4 of 1/4 of 7/15? We have written it here. So 21/60, 7/60. Numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. 7/60. So the gaining ratio will be 21/60 is to 7/60. That is 3 7s are 21, 1 7 is 1. Therefore 3:1. What about new profit sharing ratio? That is, new profit share is equal to old one plus gain. This is the old share, this is the gaining share. So you add these two, what I have written. This is old share of Somu and the gaining share is 7/60. That's what I have written. Add these two, you will get this answer. How we can add or subtract here? How we can add or subtract? only if the denominators are equal. Here you can convert this 15 into 60. 4 15s are 60, 4 3s are 12, 21 by 60. Here 4 15s are 60, 4 5s are 20. So the denominators are equal. Add these two, 33 by 60, 27 by 60. Denominator equal, you leave it 33 plus 27 is to 27. 11 3s are 33 and 9 3s are 27. Therefore, this is the new profit ratio. We shall pass on to the question number 10. Question number 10. Under this 10, Naveen, Ravi, Kumar, old profit ratio equal to Naveen, Ravi, Kumar. Ravi, Kumar. The ratio is Naveen, Ravi and Kumar are partners sharing profits in the ratio. That is, we can write old profit share itself because the ratio is not given. The share itself is given. Therefore, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. This is the old profit share. That what happens then? Kumar retires. Kumar retires. Taken up equally by the other partners, by others. This is the question. Kumar retires. Naveen, Ravi, Kumar. Kumar retires. And it is taken up, this share is taken up by Naveen and Ravi equally. The same thing. Taken up equally by others. Then, what is the gaining share? What is the gaining share? We must find the gaining share. Gaining share is equal to Kumar only retires this. And from this 1 by 4, they are taking 1 by 4 equally. That is, half is taken by Naveen and half is taken by Ravi. Listen carefully once again. Kumar retires. His share is taken by these two partners. Under what condition? They decide to divide the share 1 by 4 equally. Therefore, from 1 by 4, half will be taken by Naveen, and from 1 by 4, half will be taken by Ravi. So, if you simplify, this is equal to 1 by 8, 1 by 8. This is the gaining share for Naveen and Ravi. Therefore, gaining ratio is equal to 1 by 8 is to 1 by 8, which is equal to 1 is to 1. This is one answer. Gaining is, this is the one answer, gaining ratio. Then the next one is a new ratio we should find. New profit share is equal to old share plus gaining share. Old share of plus gaining share 1 by 8. Old share 1 by 4 plus gaining share 1 by 8. How to find the new profit share? With the old share, how much is gained? You add those two, you will get the new share. So 1 by 2 plus gain 1 by 8. Old one 1 by 4 plus gain 1 by 8. So you simplify. For the simplification, what we must do? Convert this into equal denominator. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, plus 1 by 8. Here, this also should be converted into, this is 4 times 2, 8. Here, 2 times 4, 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. This is equal to 5 by 8, 3 by 8. Therefore, new profit ratio (5 by 8) is to 3 by 8. If you simplify further, 5 is to 3. 5 is to 3. This is the new profit ratio. Once again, I repeat it. Here, old profit, instead of giving ratio like this, the share itself is given in the problem. So we can write old profit share. Instead of writing ratio, then share. Since the share is given, we can straight away go to this step. Right. Who is retiring out of these 3 partners? Kumar is retiring. So, what is Kumar retires and what happens to his share 1 by 4? It is taken up by the other partners equally. That is, half of 1 by 4 is taken up by Naveen and half of 1 by 4 is taken up by Ravi. That is the gaining share. 1 by 4 half, then again 1 by 4 half 1 by 8. So this is the gaining ratio. If you cancel the denominator as they are equal, 1:1. What about new? New profit share is equal to old profit share plus gaining. Old profit share plus gain, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. That's what I have written. Now you simplify, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 by 8 plus 1 by 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. That is 5 by 8, 3 by 8. Okay? Then, new profit ratio, it is 5 by 8 is to 3 by 8. That is, since the denominators are equal, then denominators are cancelled, 5 is to 3. This is the old profit ratio. And there is only one more problem. Mani, Gani and Sony are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:5:6. This is